Hello, welcome to WRGUITAR. I'm Will Russell, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a very easy version of Let It Be by the legendary Beatles. So without further ado, let's get playing. Alright, so we're going to be using 4 chords for this song, and if you've seen any of my tutorials in the previous Total Beginner Guitar series, then you may already know some of these, which is fantastic. Now, before we do anything, we need to whack our capo down on the 5th fret of the neck. That means that everything to the left of it is now redundant and we're not using it. The capo is 0 and anything to this way is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We're going to start with the G chord using our 3rd finger then, our ring finger of our left hand. We're going to be placing it down all the way at the bottom high E string. So the easiest way to do that is just start from the top and count your way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put your finger on the 3rd fret of that string. So if you're unsure, count up from 0 being capo, 1, 2, 3. We're not going to be using all the strings in this song. You're going to miss out the top 3 strings. And when you strum, you can either give me a thumbs up technique and strum like this, or you can grab yourselves a plectrum and strum like this. So, starting with that G chord then, miss out the top 3 strings. Rest your thumb or your plectrum on that G string and strum lightly but quickly down the bottom 3 strings. The next chord we're going to be using is the D chord. We're going to jump that 3rd finger up to the 5th string, the B string, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to be in the 3rd fret again. Miss out the top 3 strings. Our next chord is easy E minor. We're not using any fingers, but still grab onto the neck a little bit so you can support the guitar. Miss out the top 3 strings. And our final chord is the C chord, so wiggle that 1st finger. We're going to pop it on the 5th string down again, on the 1st fret. That's 1st finger, 1st fret, 5th string down, and give it a strum. So this is our strumming pattern then for the verse. We're going to be doing 2 strums on most of these chords and letting each strum ring out for 2 single beats. So we call that a minim. We're going to let it ring out for 2 beats. So starting with your G. 1, 2, 3, 4 to D. 1, 2, 3, 4 to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4 to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the last 2 chords, we're going to let them ring out for 4 beats, which is what we call a semi-breve. So you're going to grab your C chord, you're going to strum it once, and you're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the entire verse pattern. I'm going to play it back to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for our chorus then, we're going to be using the same chords in a slightly different order, and it goes something like this. We're going to start with our E minor, 1 strum, hold it for 2 and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to go to D, 1, 2, 3, 4. To C, 1, 2, 3, 4. To G, 1, 2, 3, 4. G again, 1, 2, 3, 4. To D, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to grab our C chord and we're going to do another semi-breve which lasts for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. So let me play you through the whole chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, The last chorus is a little bit different. At the end, the band do a nice declining little sequence, and we're going to try and strum over the top of that with semi-brief chords, which last for 4 beats, remember? And we're going to start it from a G chord. So we're going to go G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. So there we go, that is the chord sequence and the strum pattern that you're going to need to jam along to Let It Be by the Beatles. If you want to start playing along to it, then check out this video here. This is my playthrough video where you can play along to the music and play along to the track and do your best to practice it and improve it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have, make sure you click that subscribe button so you get weekly updates on what I'm dropping. And also make sure you check out the Total Beginner Guitar playlist where I've got a bunch more songs using similar chords and similar strumming patterns that you'll be able to play to. I hope you enjoy it and we'll see you next time.